Auckland City is renowned for its stunning landscapes and vibrant culture. Yet an unprecedented number of residents are packing up and leaving. What's driving this mass exodus? Join us as we delve into the factors compelling people to abandon the city of sails. Auckland, once New Zealand's bustling economic hub, is witnessing an unprecedented exodus of its residents. In the year ended June 2024, a record 131,200 people departed New Zealand, with a significant portion leaving Auckland. Hi, I'm Grant Hackett, proud owner of Smart Sale Real Estate, speaking to you about the profound implications this trend has for the city's socio-economic fabric. Is it a case of will the last person standing please turn out the lights? Is it really that bad? Let's hope not, but it could be if things don't change. So what's causing this exodus? The high cost of living. Auckland's living expenses, particularly housing, have become increasingly burdensome. Many residents find it challenging to afford basic necessities, prompting them to seek more affordable locations to call home. Then there's the stagnant wages and rising unemployment. The city's economic growth has slowed, leading to job cuts and limited wage rises. This economic stagnation has compelled many to explore opportunities elsewhere. So which segments or sectors are most affected? Healthcare and education are obvious standouts. Professionals in these sectors are increasingly moving to countries like Australia, attracted by better pay and working conditions. This migration exacerbates existing shortages in Auckland's healthcare and education systems. Then there's the construction and trades. The construction industry faces talent drain as skilled workers relocate for better opportunities overseas, impacting Auckland's infrastructure projects. Australia is a prime destination. Approximately 1/3 of those leaving New Zealand head to Australia, drawn by higher wages, better job prospects, and yet a comparable lifestyle. Many report a higher standard of living abroad, with more affordable housing and a better public service. So, what does this say for the future of Auckland? If current trends persist, Auckland could well face a shrinking workforce, leading to economic contraction and reduced global competitiveness. Addressing the root causes of this exodus is crucial to reversing the trend and revitalising the city. If we are to avoid the scenario of will the last person standing please turn out the lights? Auckland's population decline is a multifaceted issue driven by economic challenges and the allure of better opportunities abroad. Comprehensive strategies are needed to make Auckland a more attractive place to live and work. I would love to hear your experiences of living in Auckland. Are you thinking of joining the exodus, or are you staying around for the fight to make Auckland great again? Please comment below. Thinking of selling? Then please also reach out to me directly. My details are in the comments below. And if you want to hear more thought-provoking commentary on the state of the Auckland property market, please like and subscribe. Grant Hackett, Smart Sale Real Estate, signing off.